Hey guys, welcome back to 4 in Tune. I'm Derek, and today I'm just going to do a quick video on how to add a cabin filter to your 4th generation Ram. Now, this one, it's a Longhorn edition, leather loaded, heated seats, front and rear, everything. This thing has just about every option you can think of in it, but it didn't come with a cabin air filter. But it is a relatively simple conversion to make. Kits on eBay I think are running at about $10–12, and this is the kit that I got for this one. Just arrived today. So it comes with a cheapo filter. You can use this one or upgrade it. Like I got a nicer one that I'm going to install today, but here's the cap that this does not have, and it's really simple. Those are the tools I'm going to use, and it is a simple trick. This little tab comes off, you pull it out and then press here, and same thing on the other side, and this glove box will fall off into your hands. Just like that. So in here, to the right side, where is my hand? There it is. So over here is where we're going to be cutting this. It's already got a template for it. You just cut inside the seam right here. This is raised at about 1/8 of an inch all the way around. So you just cut the inside of this seam, and I'm going to cut straight across here. I'm not going to cut this out, and it should slide right in. So I'll update you momentarily. All right, so the hot part didn't work very well. However, as you can see, it's pretty square. The filter should fit in there. You can clean up any edges you need to. Then this piece will simply go up, and the tabs, you got ears on either side, and it'll just clip in, locking the filter in place. You see one of the ears right there. So yeah, probably a 15–20 minute job. Put a little more light in there. 15–20 minute job, and then you have a cabin air filter option in your Ram. So I'll show you what it looks like here in a second. So that's what I'm using for it. Cover's ready to go back on. Filter slid in place relatively easily. Pay attention to the arrows. The airflow is down in that way on the cover, and the cover only goes on one way. So that'll get snapped in place, and that's it. And just closing the door on this thing one more time. There's the airflow. And that's what it looks like all buttoned up. Like a factory option. And the nice new Fram cabin filter is in place. So, reinstall that. Don't forget your little tab on the side. It does retract, so just pull it out, put it in place. But yeah, real easy. Awesome. Oh, by the way, if while you're cutting holes into this, bits of this trim fall inside, it's going to fall down into the bottom of the motor down here. If it does go in there, you can take this bottom cover off here, little felt liner, a couple of screws under here, and then you got access to the bottom of the motor. You pull the bottom of the motor out, and all the debris should fall onto the floor. Pretty simple. I don't think there's too much to do with that. Allegedly. I hadn't had to do that because I did use a hot knife. It did give me a little bit of a struggle bending the blades, but I was able to get through it relatively easy. So, and every time I cut, I pulled outward, inside to out. So there we go. It's in place and it's done. So anyway, I'm Derek. This is 4 in Tune. Thanks for watching.